Windows 11 KB5026446 Moment 3 is out. Download offline installers. Windows 11 KB5026446 is now available, and this optional update brings the highly anticipated Moment 3 feature. Microsoft has also published the direct download links for Windows 11 KB5026446 offline installers, which make it easier to access Moment 3 features such as second in the taskbar and more. Windows 11 Update KB5026446 is an optional update, and it won't download or install unless you manually select the download and install button. To access Moment 3 feature, you must check a new toggle in Windows Update called Get the latest update as soon as they are available. This toggle shows up in Start Settings, Windows Update, and needs to be enabled to access Windows 11 Moment 3 feature. By default, Moment 3 feature are turned off as the update is throttled to minimize issues. To get the latest non-security and feature updates as soon as possible, simply turn on the new toggle. This patch is titled 2023-05 Cumulative Updates Preview for Windows 11 version 22H2 for x64 based system KB5026446. If you are prefer, it is possible to skip the optional update for this week and still benefit from the improvements. This update will be included in the June 2023 Patch Tuesday update, scheduled for release in the second week of next month. Windows 11 K502646 Moment 3 changelog. Windows 11 Moment 3 has a lot of improvements and a new addition, but the update is not as big as Moment 3. While the previous update added groundbreaking feature like drag and drop on the taskbar and tabs in File Explorer, Moment 3 is more about quality improvements. The widget board is getting better, but no desktop support. Windows 11 widgets board is getting a refresh in the release. No, the update doesn't add the rumored desktop support for widgets. Instead, it comes with cosmetic improvements. In Moment 3, you will notice that Microsoft updated the canvas size, which means you can have as many as 3 columns, but this also depends on the device configuration. Microsoft is moving the MSN feed to a new feed section with a new dedicated section for widgets. For example, you could have a weather widgets, a calendar widgets, and a news feed on your board, providing instant access to essential data from different services and personalized news content. Microsoft has also enabled animated icons for widgets on the taskbar. They are triggered when you hover or click the widget's entry point on the taskbar or when a new widget announcement appears. This means that if you have a weather widget, the icon may animate it to show the current weather condition, such as sun for a sunny day or a cloud for a cloudy one. Two-step factor authentication got a cosmetic update. Microsoft is simply two-factor authenticate process. The update would make the two-step auth notification more like Android. In other words, you can quickly copy and paste 2FA codes from the notification. The update adds a new copy button for copying 2FA codes from notification toast, either from apps installed on your PC or phones linked to your PC. For instance, when receiving a 2FA code from your bank app, you can simply paste the copy button in the notification toast into the login field. Keyboard settings. Windows 11 now offer more control over the touch keyboard settings. The update replaces the existing show the touch keyboard when there are no keyboard attached checkbox with a drop-down menu providing 3 options. This include never, which suppress the touch keyboard entirely when no keyboard attached, which activates the touch keyboard only when no physical keyboard is connected, and always, which always the touch keyboard even when a physical keyboard is attached. Enhanced phishing protection. The update adds on additional layer of security against phishing and unsafe password usage. If you have enabled warning option for Windows security, you will see a UI warning when you copy and paste unsafe password, much like the current warning display when you type in your password. Taskbar improvements. This update includes a couple of improvements to the taskbar. First, there is now a glanceable VPN status in the system tray when connected to a recognized VPN profile. A small shield icon will overlay your active network connection, colored with your system accent color, providing quick reassurance reassurance of your secure connection. Secondly, in response to user feedback, there are now an option to show checking in the clock on the system tray. Other improvements in KB5026446 Moment 3. Microsoft has packed the Moment 3 update with additional enhancement. This includes support for more languages in the live caption feature, update touch keyboard settings, USB 4 settings page, and access keys in File Explorer. Also, the search box will be lighter when app mode is set to light. Plus, you can now create live kernel dumps in Task Manager, and the settings search is faster, enhancing system performance. Finally, new presence sensing settings provide more granular control over feature like wake on, approach, lock on, leave.